Time can erase the love we share, but it gives me time to realize just how much you care. Now you're gone, really not the same. I guess I am myself to blame. Time can erase the things we said, but it gives me time to realize that you're the one instead. The love we not just can't be I don't know how it started, or why it ever had to end, but something stepped inside, we didn't let it end. It's keeping us apart, and where are you now? Where are you now? Is someone there tonight? I'm holding what
may harap din ang mga team si Baras, kaya waterfalls nila doon sa Brana ng Pulo. Na mga pilihan. Kaya magalito ka dahil naman is
beating any longer, and yet I'm still afraid to let it go. What started out as a friendship has grown stronger. I even wish I had the strength to let it show. I tell myself that I can't hold out forever. There is no reason for my fears. It's something so here's a moon my way. My dad is stuck on you, beautiful to alone. I guess it's time for me to come home. Like you're moving around for a man like me. It's all my way. I need that to stay. Leaving all the things and the way of